Hi y'all, welcome back to another video. If you're here, I'm Everything Nails, and here I post about everything nail related. So today I'm doing a simple manicure prep because the initial secret to long lasting nails is a well prepped nail. As you can see here, I've already started using this tool to push back all my cuticles and expose the surface area. As soon as I'm done, I flip over the tool and I use this sharp part to remove all the dead skin. Alright, and that's done. I take my nail drill and put this particular head because it's meant for cuticles, and I file all the places that's closely related to the cuticles. And as soon as you're done, you're gonna go ahead and take a brush and clean your nails. Then you're gonna move on to filing all your nails with this particular head. So the goal of this head is just to remove the shiny part of your nails so that whatever product or application you're gonna do, it sticks onto bare nails. So you just want to remove the shiny coat of the nails. Once again, you're going to clean your nails. Cleaning your nails is very important as it removes all the dirt that was on your nails initially, as well as all the dust. So when you're done with that, you're going to move on to a normal file. I love using this one, especially a hand file, because I obviously have control over it. I have control over the speed, I have control over the force on the nail. And once again, you just want to remove that sparkly, shiny surface on your nail. As you can see, the difference in color actually starts. The lighter shade that you can see here is because the nails are now nicely filed. However, if it's still kind of dark and shiny, you have of course not filed properly. So make sure you file properly. Go as close as you can to the cuticles without hurting your client's skin. Remember to take your time and be patient. And as you're doing this step, it's very important that you automatically shape your nail to the desired shape that you want. Alright, and for the last time, you're going to clean off your nails. Then you're going to take your dehydrating alcohol and spray it on your fingers. Do not drink your fingers in this solution. However, add a little bit, but the whole alcohol is sprayed evenly across your fingers. Then you're going to use a small cloth. In this case, I used a tissue to gently wipe off the remaining alcohol. At this point, this is where your application starts. And as you guys can see, this is my primer. Primer is very fundamental because if you do not have a primer, none of your nails are ever going to stick on your hands. And if you're doing gel for the first time, that's why your gel ultimately peeled off. Or if you're doing extensions, that's why your nails are always falling off, because you do not have primer. So my secret to primer is always using 2 coats but make sure you do not drench your finger in primer. So as you guys can see, I do 2 strokes per finger. When I move on to base gel, make sure that you apply it evenly across your fingers. You do not want it too thick, however you don't also want it too thin. Once all fingers are covered, you're going to cure for 60 seconds and start your application. Bye!